In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn your Smartsheet into an Excel file quickly and easily. This is perfect when you need to format data differently, share it with someone who doesn't use Smartsheet, or work offline. Start by heading to your Smartsheet workspace or home page and open the exact sheet you want to export. Once it's open, go to the top menu and click File, then hover over Export. From the export options, choose Export to Microsoft Excel. This will instantly begin converting your Smartsheet into an Excel compatible format. You will now be prompted to download the file. Save it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or project folder. When the download is complete, open the Excel SX file in Excel. You may notice the formatting looks a little different. Smartsheet and Excel handle layout, colors, and column sizes differently, so you might need to adjust a few things manually. Once it's open, you're all set. You can edit it, analyze it, share it, or customize the formatting however you like. And that's all it takes to turn your Smartsheet into an Excel file. Quick, simple, and ready for whatever you need next.